This video shows a hit and run occurring in broad daylight. A clip from Sacramento, California shows this shirtless creep pacing around this front door. This woman was caught on camera walking up to this house and stealing a package from the front doorstep. This jacket-wearing woman was recorded stealing a package and some mail from this house in the middle of the day. This creeper gets caught trying to peek into this car.
Hey, what are you doing? Get away from here. Somebody creeping in the yard. Look, checking the vehicle.
In this video, a guy in Seattle, Washington stuffs parcels from this house into a bag he's carrying and then walks away. Look at this extremely creepy guy walking around this parking area at night, looking in several vehicles.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, get the out of here! My fucking coffee! Get the out of here!
This guy in Carmichael, California was caught entering this vehicle in the middle of the night and stealing some items. This woman hops out of her truck to steal some things, and it was caught on video. Take a look at this Grinch stealing some Christmas presents off this doorstep. This guy shows up to this house and proceeds to steal a Ring doorbell camera at 5 in the morning. This video shows a Florida pest control man attempting to enter this house for some inexplicable reason. At around 2:57 a.m., this man climbed this 8-foot fence to steal a power washer. In Fair Oaks, California, a man was caught acting quite strangely in front of this house.
Right. Everybody.
These burglars broke into a GMC and stole several items in the dead of night. A random guy walked up to this porch and stole the uploader's cousin's bike. Thankfully, they chased him down and got the bike back shortly thereafter. This man was caught trying to steal from this TikToker's sister.
Get the f off my goddamn porch, bitch. Oh, hell no.
Then got the nerve to zoom away.
This TikToker posted this video of a man stealing their neighbor's scooter. This guy was caught on camera hooking the neighbor's power to his house from their building.
It's a problem. Just had a bad storm and power went out. Turns out I didn't pay the bill. It was late. If I could use your extension cord from your garage, plug it up from your building to my place until I get paid Friday or a week from Friday. I'll let you know, but just don't unplug the cord. I don't want my wife to think I can't pay the bills. So I'll shut your garage, but I just want to make sure that this was going to be long enough to reach to my house over there. So please don't follow the law or nothing like that. I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm just going to plug up one extension cord to your building to my house, and then I'm going to have like a couple 6-ways off of that so everybody can be happy at home. Appreciate the internet. We'll have your yard mowed next week. Please don't get me in trouble. We're good, and I'll make this up to you. Thank you. And I'll shut your garage door right now.
To make matters worse, he also went into the neighbor's garage to get their extension cord. This man robbed a house and then proceeded to steal the homeowner's Ring camera. A pathetic woman walks up to this person's house and steals their $1 broom. These two ladies were caught stealing a doorbell camera. One of the most bizarre doorbell videos you'll see in a while shows a man walking up to a stranger's house, then starting to sing a song before trying to steal some packages.
I've been walking. I've been walking with my face turned to the sun. Whoa, yeah. Weight on my shoulder and a bullet in my gun. Yeah. Oh,
Get away from my mother house. I'm finna call the police on you.
I was just singing a song. You look nice, like a microphone. That's all. I'm sorry. You gotta call the cops.
This guy is shown coming out of the woods trying to steal the homeowner's slides.
12 seconds later.
Not today.
A man wanted to steal this uploader's air conditioner, but ended up getting caught instead. Watch as this total creep walks right up to this property and steals the Ring camera. This guy creeps onto this property and steals a pair of shoes that were left outside. The uploader of this clip says, "This person was really lucky that we gave him a warning to get off our property." This was at 3 in the morning. Watch this pathetic guy stealing from this house while wearing a hoodie as their only disguise. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This guy with long hair got into someone's car late at night and stole their valuables. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.